Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Well, hello, good morning. Hey, Jose, good morning to you. Sorry, a little bit late this morning.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're waiting for the opening range to set here anyways, so no rush. We do have the mechanical model that we can trade today. looking super bullish so far out of the gate. Ripping higher. Gold went lower last night. So it's bouncing a little bit right now. Just gonna get my VWAPs in place here.
Artlist.io.
Good morning.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Music
thanks. How are you doing?
licensing reimagined.
I was doing much better until I woke up late and saw the price action. I was like, shit.
Should have been up early today, eh?
Oh man, I had a short last night that I closed just before I went to bed. That would have went another 5 points into profit. It was good. It still made me a little bit of money, so I'm
Nice.
not upset. But I was expecting a little bit deeper of a pullback overnight,
Yeah.
and then I don't know what was this. Just before market open, this just rip up from 16 to 27, like. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, Keith.
Oh, there's Keith.
Great job on the Discord, Dave.
Oh, thanks.
Definitely good to keep the conversations going outside of the stream, right?
Yeah, yeah. How is it being back to reality?
I don't know. Well, obviously the weather sucks here. You know that.
Yeah, yeah.
I slept in this morning till literally 20 minutes ago. I woke up, so it's just like, it's good. It's my body telling me that you needed the rest. So
Yeah.
I'm not going to complain about it at all. But it just
For sure.
kind of, you feel like a little scrambled in the morning, and then when you see, like I said, when you see the price action like this, I'm like, what did I miss?
Yeah.
How's your trading been? You've been trading. I see you guys been looking at gold and.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I've been trading gold quite a bit actually the last couple of days. My trading's been going well. Pretty green on the month. So been I made like 1,500 Sunday and about 400 yesterday, I think.
Nice.
425. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I saw Keith had a good day yesterday on gold.
Yeah, Keith has been getting himself locked out on purpose.
That's good. That's a great day.
Yeah.
To have the discipline to lock yourself out is a great thing.
You think we're gonna see Christine this morning?
I don't. She actually said so. The time changes next week in here for us, and
Artlist.io.
it's gonna give her 2 hours in the morning before market open versus 1. I think she's just with the kids and everything right now. She's just she's trying to sort everything out. But I think once the time changes, because Mexico doesn't observe daylight savings, it buys her another hour.
Music licensing.
So then I think for
reimagined.
sure she said she's going to get back to it. So she might pop in today. She might not. I don't know. I haven't talked to her. But I'll shoot her a message and see. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning, Randy. How you doing today?
I'm okay, buddy. How are you?
I'm all right. So,
Hey, how you doing?
It's raining as shit here right now. So,
Oh,
And when it's raining there, it's probably like in Mexico when it rained. It rained.
man, it's rough.
Artlist.io.
Do the streets turn into rivers there too? Little mini rivers as you're walking down them?
I mean, there are places that I've stayed where I had to cross a river to get to it. So, why is that music so loud?
is it?
Yeah,
Let me see.
I'm not sure if it's just in my
Music
headphones
licensing
or.
reimagined.
No, it's pretty loud. Dave's used to rocking it loud.
Well, I think I turned it down to 21. It's 19. It's pretty quiet.
19
Not on my end.
loud. There you go.
Is that better?
Yeah, I can actually hear you guys now.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk trading. What are we thinking, guys?
I'm waiting
I'm
for.
thinking I'm waiting for.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
I'm trading. I'm trying to trade Zach Arbucci's mechanical model here. If we get an inversion on this bullish for value gap, 69.16, I'll be looking to take a quick short here for about 10 points, maybe. 7
So
to
are
10.
you looking at
Artlist.io.
5 minute fair value gap, 15 minute fair value gap?
5 minute, yeah.
Yeah, there's a 15-minute fair value gap too. Same size.
I am just waiting for the opening range to get set.
So Dave, is that mechanical model based on a 5-minute fair value gap or just fair value gaps in general?
I've been using the 5, but he says you can use it on any of them basically. So you can use it on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. He said even the 3 minute I think works fine, but I've been using the 5. Yeah.
Yeah, I was expecting a pullback to basically previous day value area high, like 68.98 last night. That's kind of what I was thinking. And then you had that the previous day's point of control below us. It's 68.78.
Yeah.
So I thought we would have got a bit of a pullback to there, but nada. 6,900, I think, got 69.01 got tapped and price reversed from there.
Yeah, and gold kept just going lower last night.
It was funny because when I was watching my short end play, gold was going higher and the indices were coming lower. So then I thought, oh, maybe that the correlation, because I think I heard you say that the other day. If gold rips higher, it's worse for our longs.
Yeah. Usually it's opposite.
Yeah, and so I was looking at that, and then all of a sudden gold started melting over, and then the markets were still melting. So I was kind of like, and ES was in a bit of a holding pattern. So I was like, I don't know what's going to go on. I ended up pulling the trade anyways, but it's fine. I made some money on it.
You do have to look at the gold and compare it with the other indices over a longer time frame to get any
correlation.
Bit of an to get a correlation or an accurate reading on it. You got to look at it for a month, like a week, a month, a quarter, and do it that way.
Oh, nice.
So if you look at, anytime there's a ridiculous event that causes the market to either drop or go up, gold goes in the opposite direction.
I got you.
Look at it over time though, and you'll see where all the hedging against the US dollar and the indices is. And it's usually correlated with an event.
I got you.
Nice. That's a more accurate description.
Sorry. Yeah.
Good morning, Michael. You can look at correlations there from markets. It never rains here in Los Angeles. I love it.
Yeah,
Los
Angeles.
Yeah.
Lost Angels. Laughter.
I recognize that name, Laughter. I think you follow me on Instagram.
You sent a link, eh?
There ain't nothing there. Come on, Boomer. You can't just type I sent a link and the link shows up.
So it looks like Evan's
That's not how it
over.
works. I know Zach is on today too for his kill zone screen.
Well, I didn't get the inversion there. Needed another point and a half or so. Which is too bad. I mean, it's pretty hard to not be bullish though, hey?
Yeah, so I asked a question actually this morning in the Black Shirt Club of what everybody's thoughts are on FOMC tomorrow, how bullish we are at all-time highs again, and with the 5 of the Mag 7s reporting on Wednesday and Thursday. And Mike Schwartz made a comment about, he's like, I think the market is overstretched and the odds favor a pullback regardless of how good earnings are. I agree with that. And then also he said, we're beyond the +2 standard deviation bands on the weekly, monthly, and yearly VWAP bands. Technically quarter 2, but quarterly has the same starting point as monthly. So that's very interesting. So we're kind of really stretched.
And with all that being said, what does that mean for us day trading?
Mike, break it down for
Come
us,
on.
brother.
Come
He's
on,
in the
Mike.
chat.
Mike's in the chat. He can help us out.
I think Mike's the one that's overstretched. He's in the BSC chat. He's in the ASFX chat. He's in our chat. So now we inverted that fair value gap, Dave.
Artlist.io.
Not yet. Because this next 5-minute candle didn't close yet. So
Oh, so on my fair FPG nephew Sam, whatever, mine already switched to red now.
well that's because this candle is below it,
Music
Yeah.
licensing
it'll take off the green one.
Oh, but if this candle
if it
popped up
closes-
above it, it would
yeah.
go back to green.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I got you.
It'll come back.
Artlist.io.
What does it mean for us day trading? Nothing really, is Schwartz reply to that. So basically, just do what we do every day.
Yeah, read the price.
No,
Read the
I
price,
want I want the magic answer. I want the secret sauce.
Yeah.
Oh,
Music
Well, the
licensing.
South.
if only that was a thing.
Yeah, it's sitting right here on this overnight VWAP.
Hmm.
It means I sold more calls this morning. Good man. Good man. So Randy, how you liking being back in the cold?
Oh, it sucks, man. I try not to think about it. We went out for a walk last night, Miles and I, and we both had toques on and all bundled up, and I was just like, this sucks.
Miles is like, let's go back to Mexico, Dad.
Yeah, for sure.
It's so nice there,
Licensing
comfortable.
reimagined.
I mean, the
Well, he's got
closest I
really
get-
bad skin. He's got really bad skin issues, eczema, and it's like crazy how much it cleared up in Mexico, and now it's already coming back.
Huh?
Is it really dry where you're at?
Yeah. So we got to put humidifier. I'm probably gonna put a central humidifier into the furnace.
It's gonna sound really ridiculous, but pick up some castor oil and mix it with a little bit of lotion every morning for him.
Oh, I'll try
Yeah.
that one.
Do it in the morning, and then before he goes to bed, just a little bit of castor oil, just a few drops into some lotion. Put it on his skin. The castor oil is actually, it's really good for your skin. It's good for your hair follicles, and it's natural. Has natural antibacterial properties.
Nice.
Yeah, castor oil is a good remedy. So it looks like we're going to get that inversion now. So I'm just going to see if I get a little pullback before I try to get an entry on this guy.
Lance wants some signals by carrier pigeon. All right, opening range is set.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if we can get this to go down here.
Is anybody having trouble with their trading view today?
No, mine seems to be looking okay.
Yeah, me too.
What the hell's going on with mine?
Look at NQ just ripped. It's got to be pre-earnings.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think I might look at a short here too, Dave.
A short on NQ?
No, on ES. NQ would be nice to short from the top here, actually.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
But is it the top? Oh, wow. ES had a bit of a drop off.
Yeah, just a bit.
That's not pretty.
Music
How are the
licensing
Dodgers and Blue Jays? Is it they play game 3 yet, or is that tonight?
I never saw the finish of the game yesterday.
Oh shit! What was the score when you saw it?
It was tied, I think, in the 10th or 11th inning. So like they had played a couple innings tied.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
I am short.
No, you're not.
Artlist.io.
Yes. Oh well, not.
You know, I got you. I got you.
You know what I'm saying.
I always know
I'm
what you're
right.
saying. Just busting your balls.
Artlist.io.
Here we go. I'm out $100 in 2 straight 150k straight to funded.
Licensing reimagined.
Nice trade, Dave. What did you? Were you on ES or NQ?
Yes. Yeah.
Nice.
I think I got like 4 points out of it, anyways. 4 or 5. Let's see. Almost 6 points.
Nice.
No, sorry. My bad. Wrong number. 4 points. 4.25 points. I was trying to drag it down a little bit right as it got taken there. I was like, this is looking pretty. Could probably squeeze a couple more points out of it. So midnight open was at 69.08, so there wasn't a ton of space there. So Mr. Abuchi's mechanical model works again.
Music licensing.
So apparently his courses are going to be coming out here shortly.
Yeah.
He's got
Come
like
out on Monday.
30 something. Oh, is it Monday?
Yeah, 23
You
chapters.
Whoa. Really?
Yeah,
20
I'm super stoked for it.
Yeah, me too.
He's gonna break down his liquidity concepts. Like, I'm telling you, he's don't sleep on Zach. His knowledge is
Oh yeah, he's
some of the best. Like, he's so knowledgeable in the markets and what he's looking at in price action.
Look at that price go, hey? Shouldn't have got out where I did. always the thing.
so I ended up picking up a couple of those Ignite accounts yesterday.
Nice.
Nice, yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Today I'm gonna set my
Just set your profit
Stop loss.
target
that's
to 375,
exactly, yep.
and you
That's
don't
what I'm
gotta
doing.
think about it.
The less I have to think, the better off I am.
Is 375 is the number?
Yeah, on a 50K. 375 is 15%, and I think what is that? Basically 7 days, because $2,500 profit target.
IO.
All right.
Yeah, I
It's
got.
funny that they take away the minimum trading days, but it doesn't matter because you got the consistency score, so it's there no matter what.
Yeah. Lance, what do you think about the what are you saying here? I don't see the benefit with the 15% consistency. It's too low.
Are you still in that short, Randy?
Oh no, I closed it. I
Okay.
got $61 out of it, so
Nice.
I let it pull back on me a bit, which is fine.
Mhm.
I can look for a re-entry here, I think.
Coming right, we found support at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart there. So
You see me on a Trader's Post thumbnail? All right. Oh yeah, I've been on Price Action Live with them and did a podcast with them a couple of weeks ago.
nice.
I'll be on Price Action Live again this Thursday.
Thursday, yeah. Okay, Mr. Bears.
Reimagined.
I mean, it made sense we're getting a pullback, especially after that overnight session. Gold's not doing very much right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on YM instead.
You with your YM.
Artlist.io.
Let's see here. I didn't do my levels yet on
Music
YM.
licensing
I want to see those orders at 6,900 get tapped.
Yeah. I mean, that would probably be the sweep point if they're going to take it higher. Sweep the lows, find some support, and then head higher.
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
even sweep these lows at 69.01.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it was Lance that was also having issues with his trading view. Said he thought it was just his internet connection. I just reset it, and everything that I have up, my ES, MES, NQ, and gold, it switched the contracts on me.
Oh,
So that was an issue.
they're on to you, Nick.
I don't know what the heck is going on with this. It switched from it switched out of my December contracts. So now that I put it back, it's great. They're on to me.
That's kind of weird because that was like the same problem with the bookmap for NQ.
Yep. Yeah.
It has to be Amazon Web Services crashed, really messed all that stuff up somehow, right?
And Amazon.
What else could it be at this point?
I don't know. I'm not a tech guy. I couldn't tell you. I'm a look at a pretty candles guy.
Right?
Just making random guesses and either buying or selling. That's all I do.
Music licensing reimagined.
I took a long on gold last night before bed, made 86 bucks, and luckily I got out where I did because when I woke up and I saw the price, I was like, oh my god, it really went down from there.
Yeah, it dropped.
I had drawn this like support area where I thought it was going to be support, and that's kind of like the thesis behind it. It like got to the very bottom of that support area, so I was like, okay, well, I'm going to try along here. And I was pretty aggressive on taking the profits, but it bounced a little bit, and then it just like continued ripping straight through the bottom of it. So I guess pretty lucky in that sense.
Music
He's having
licensing
issues with Trade-Evade and TradingView.
That kind of sounds like that might be an internet problem.
Yeah, because my Trade-Evade's up fine.
Lance,
do
you
you
gotta
like
move
that?
out of. Good.
No, I was gonna say, how do you like the Starlink Mini, Nick? The portable one.
Now that I did some hillbilly engineering, it's working much better.
Oh yeah, with the PVC.
Artlist.
I went to the hardware store and picked up 3 1-meter length pieces of tubing and some couplers and some zip ties and launched that thing up in the air so that way it's above the foliage. And now it's working a little bit better.
Yeah, I just got an email. They're sending me one for free because I've had Starlink for so long.
There she is.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on, Christine.
That was just.
Christine,
Oh, there's Christine. Good morning.
where are you?
Reimagined.
Everybody's asking about you, Christine.
We've been missing you. Where you been?
She's buying this. Wow. What was that?
Whoa, news candle? What happened in here?
Oh, there is news coming in at 7 a.m. in 4
US
minutes. That was early.
CB consumer confidence?
Yeah.
But we're a
Huh.
little early, eh? Trump must be tweeting something right now, right?
Who knows? All I know is my order just got rejected by the market.
Really?
I'm trading. Yeah, I'm trading personal accounts now. I'm not touching any of the prop firms
Music licensing
for probably another
reimagined.
week. And I just put in a long on NQ, and it got rejected.
The price moved too fast, or what? That's weird.
Maybe. I did put it in just as it was popping up there, so maybe it was moving too fast. Maybe the market just doesn't like me today.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Christine said sleeping in. And Lance is under a canopy in the rainforest.
Oh, he's in the Pacific Northwest.
Pacific Northwest.
Nice.
Music
Christine's been
licensing
sleeping in?
reimagined.
Yeah.
Wow. For a minute, I was just thinking Christine didn't like me.
Artlist.io.
Now that's a wick.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
See, Dave, she's waiting for the time change to happen.
Yeah, that's what you're saying.
Knew it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Morning, Czar.
Good morning, Czar.
Were you in that short on gold overnight or what? Czar's been like trading overnight. A couple days ago, he's like up for like 9 hour gold short.
Czar's been killing it overnight is what he's been doing.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
We got news in 60 seconds.
Yeah.
We gotta wait for that news anyways, so
Music licensing reimagined.
Is everybody flat now?
Yep.
ten seconds.
Artlist.io.
Take a second to digest it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hasn't come in yet. Weird. Oh, yeah.
I don't see it on Financial Juice yet.
No.
It's just set in. Yeah, it's still showing blank.
Financial Juice has really been sucking balls lately, man.
Yeah.
Well, mine now mine's frozen. It's not refreshing. Oh, there you go. It came in. 94.6. So it's a slight beat.
Artlist.io.
Anybody know what consumer confidence means? It means the consumers are happy with the way everything's being handled.
Yeah, mine's really slow right now too. I just refreshed it and it's like frozen.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. Come on.
Yeah, I want to see us sweep those orders below.
Artlist.io.
Think we're going to?
I don't know.
This is
Music licensing reimagined.
We're sitting on a low a day VWAP if you throw one on, so.
Technically, NQ never inverted that fair value gap. I wonder if the mechanical model could still work for that trade.
Artlist.io.
Picked the right indice this morning, though, for that trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think Bruce is short.
Artlist.io.
What's he short on YM?
I can't see his screen, so I'm not sure. I just heard him say something about hoping that it holds below a certain level. So Zara, yeah, caught a short play at early London. Seems like bulls where we're holding out so far. Yeah, 6 a.m. is not a sleep in. It is when you're supposed to be up before 6.
I'm gonna start calling Christine when I wake up in the morning.
She won't answer. She turns her phone off.
No, I wouldn't do that to anyone.
That's the other thing I love about Mexico. When you don't want your phone, you don't have your phone on you. Like, you could just leave the house without your phone and not even think about it.
Shit, man. I haven't even worn real shoes in the past month and a half.
Yeah, exactly.
So, fuck.
Living the good life.
I tried doing the barefoot thing, man, but I don't know. It's tough. Some of those gravel roads, like, I was dying trying to walk on it. I'm like, I don't know how do these people, like the locals, just do it with no problem? And I'm just like,
So
I'm watching Miles run around barefoot, and I was like, you're fucking crazy, kid. Like, I tried. I can do it on the beach, and I can do it on the pavement. I can't do it on the gravel roads.
Tomas, who was in the chat yesterday, was just when he was over here, was cracking jokes about, he's talking about gringo feet. I was like, oh, is that a thing? He's like, yeah, absolutely.
Well, when you spend your whole life wearing running shoes and then you take it off and try to walk on rocks, it's like, yeah, your feet aren't prepared for that at all.
No.
North American life. All right. Well, we held that 200 EMA. Now what? We're flirting with previous day high.
Still feel like those orders at 6,900 want to get touched.
Yeah. I mean, you could take a short and then put a stop sort of above that wick, whatever that candle. Because that ended right in the middle of a bearish fair value gap that we printed earlier at 69.20.
Oh yeah, I see that.
I'm actually tempted to put a limit order down at 68.94 or 95 on ES.
Artlist.io.
For a long?
for a long, yeah.
Lance, as a kid, I never wore shoes. I have missing toenails and cuts, you name it. And I had conditioned my skin to handle it. But as I grew older and wore socks and shoes all the time, they got soft. Yeah. It helps to be lighter too when you're small.
Yeah.
Hillbilly shit.
Artlist.io.
He is from the South.
He's our old Kentucky homeboy.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Is that a stress ball you got right there?
Yeah. It's from the conference in LA. So, trying to make the most of my $250 ticket.
How much was it?
$250, I think I paid for my ticket for LA.
Damn, that's a good price.
Yeah, I bought it when it first came out.
Jesus.
Dave, you really should try and make it to Tampa. It's gonna be a good time.
It's a Mexican avocado.
Yeah. Dude, we got avocados off this guy from an avocado truck. He actually were eating tacos at a taco stand, and he sat down beside us, and he had avocados, and he was just like eating them with his tacos, and he offered them to us, and I was kind of like, huh? And he's like, cut the avocado in half, gave me half, I ate it, and I was like, fuck, this is amazing. 2 seconds later, he's like, yeah, I got some if you want to buy them. Like, ultimate pitch, like, got us hooked. But these avocados, they tasted like they were whipped. Like,
Really?
you took the flesh out and whipped it. It was
So
so
creamy.
fucking good, man. And yeah, he just went in the back of his truck and he handpicked. He asked you, he's like, when do you want them ripe for? Do you want them today, tomorrow, a few days from now? So and then he went and handpicked a whole bunch for us. Fuck, they were
Nice.
delicious.
Artlist.io.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's a little bit different when you're in Mexico or down here in Costa Rica. You just go in the backyard and cut bananas down out of the trees.
Artlist.io.
Papayas, mangoes.
They make this juice. They have this juice stand in Sayulita. They're all over Mexico, but it's like called agua de pina, agua de fresca. Like they take fresh fruit and mix it with water, but like they somehow, I don't know how this stand does it. They don't add any sugar to it.
Reimagined.
And it was like my favorite was pineapple and I think it was mint or pineapple and basil. But oh man, it was phenomenal. I drank that every day.
Yeah, why wouldn't you?
Oh, and literally fresh pineapple, basil, somehow mashed up and then mixed with water, no sugar added, and then they strain it, and it's like this delicious, sweet juice. Like,
Artlist.io.
Sounds great.
and it was 30 pesos, so $1.50.
Oh, here comes Christine. That's not true. Some don't have sugar, but most of them do.
The ones Christine drinks have sugar. The ones I drink don't have sugar. So
Well, that's because you're sweet enough already, Randy.
exactly.
Oh, Unc's so nice. This guy always got the nice things to say.
That's me, Mr. Fucking Friendly.
What are you calling them, liars now, Christine? I don't like that. Don't talk about my girl like that. My girl at the juice stand.
Artlist.io.
I'll tell her when I get back there.
Make sure you put extra sugar in Christine's drink when she comes to orders it next time.
Yeah.
That's weird, hey? Their messages came through as joined there. You see that? Lance and Christine's message.
In my chat, it's not showing them all like separate.
Yeah, for some reason those two are joined for me, but the rest are separate.
Oh yeah, so I don't even. That's weird. In my chat, it doesn't show any of them separate.
Huh.
Oh, it's because I'm in your
Artlist.io.
channel, maybe. Maybe nobody's watching on my channel anymore.
What?
Let's see.
That's impossible.
You got 7 people in yours. I only got 2.
Oh, weird.
Artlist.io.
Huh. Okay, come on now. Let's take those bloody lows. Let's get this thing moving.
Yeah, stuck between 200 EMA and the
Music
VWAPs.
licensing reimagined.
NQ is putting in, well, I should take that back. But it's putting in like it's just grinding lower slowly, sitting on the New York VWAP. The podcast dropped yesterday. We did it with Dan Cook. He's in Dubai.
Yeah, I saw that. That was great.
He's a school teacher. Definitely interesting. Another great podcast.
I thought he was a comedian.
Yeah. Now he's a grade school teacher in Dubai.
Music
Oh, no, it's
licensing
Dane Cook.
reimagined.
Oh,
Yeah, his schedule works out really good being where he is. Hey, gets home from school and then gets a little R&R time, and then he can get on the charts for New York Open. That's pretty awesome.
well, I think for James Bruce, I think New York Open's 3 p.m. for him, which is still not a bad time either. It's like you get a whole bunch of stuff done in the morning,
Yeah.
and then spend a few hours at the charts and be done for dinner, and then not have to think about it again.
I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Coffee. Yeah, in the resources tab or replays tab, I linked in the Discord. I linked the new podcast.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I saw that video you posted yesterday with that other, what's his name? That trader. He's talking about how much he risked.
Oh yeah. The championship trader guy.
Yeah. What happened with your boy Patrick Wheeland and his competition?
I never even, after I blew the count that day on gold, I was like, I just never even watched it. So good question.
Yeah, because I seen another prop firm doing a competition like that, and they had like leaderboards, and a leaderboard with resets and a leaderboard with no resets, and I was like, man, this is fucking Bojang.
Yeah.
Like, where can you join a race, a marathon, and then bow out of the marathon, and then able to come back in later on and start running again? Like, it's just stupid.
It's like the poker table rebuys.
Yeah.
Kind of, but kind of defeats the purpose though, right? Of the competition, I feel like.
Oh, for sure. Well, it's just like, why wouldn't you just fucking go and blow it and just buy another one, man? Like,
it's pay to win then, right?
Yeah, exactly. Are you in a long, Christine?
Artlist.io.
Definitely a decent area for a long down at the lows there. I don't know if it swept the lows though for her, so. No, just the swing trades. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, pretty slow.
I know. Painful.
Even gold is not doing much today, so I think we might end up getting a slow rest of the week here till we get the news.
Well, we got FOMC tomorrow, and then we got Google and Amazon earnings tomorrow. Christine would know better. And then on Thursday, we have Microsoft and somebody else.
Artlist.io.
I'd say he's a 5.0.
So tomorrow we have Facebook, Meta, Google, and Microsoft earnings, and then on Thursday we have Apple and Amazon.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
That's gonna be some busy action there. You love how the Canadian government is totally fumbling the negotiations with the U.S. right now.
I didn't pay attention to it anymore, to be honest, man. I told you I'm moving to Mexico. I'm out of here.
So horrible, man. So horrible. You got Doug Ford put in some anti-tariff commercials on, and then now Trump stopped talking to Canada about the trade war. It's like, just why you gotta poke the angry bear, man? Like, let's make the deal already, right?
Oh god, it's just gonna be like this bad. Like it's like a game now, right? This is the one I was talking about, trade day.
Okay, yeah. Zero reset. Seemed like our Philly business is doing great. Nice.
Yeah, I followed Kellyanne before when a whole bunch of stuff was going on with another prop firm that she was promoting that rug pulled a bunch of people.
Oh my god.
And she was like, this is kind of like, she's like, I don't know, the way she worded it was not very, I don't think it was very cool. Like she didn't help her, people that bought her stuff through her to try and get a resolution. She just said, tough luck. I didn't know this was going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Like she didn't acknowledge that the company rug pulled everyone, basically.
Yeah. Zach from the guy who lives near us, Zach?
The guy in Thailand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He had some sort of he got a couple accounts breached by Lucid and he's not sure why. And then he tried to reach out to them and then they're not telling him why.
Yeah, so something happened. I've read somewhere else that something's going on with Lucid too, that it's like a real, ever since that AWS outage.
Yeah.
They've been having real issues trying to resolve. So Top Step went and gave everybody XFAs where they took their trades away. Tradeify did something similar. I think Lucid didn't do anything. I think they might have just, like you're saying, breached these accounts. So if you traded during those outages and you had winning trades, they just breach your account. You can't have the account anymore.
How does that make sense? So I don't get it, right? So
I think it was the only way they could mitigate it. I could be completely wrong, but I know that I heard from someone else that Lucid is after that AWS shortage, Lucid was really bad. Not bad, they just couldn't come up with a resolution.
interesting. Yeah, so he's trying to reach out to AJ, the CEO, to see to talk to him about hey Nick, you're muted if you were trying to talk. I didn't notice there, but
I wasn't trying.
You're muted again.
No, I wasn't talking. I just didn't want you guys having to deal with all the noise and nonsense going on around me.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, my Lucid accounts are all still normal. 11, 12, 13 days traded. Those guys they're working their way to profits here. I got them about, I got 1,800 in one, 1,600 in the other, and 1,500 in the other. So about halfway to passing the tests on them.
Nice. %. If real brokers did that, they'd be deregulated. This is the sticky situation of playing in the prop space.
Yeah. Playing the prop game.
At the end of the day, we're us failing is paying. Is the business making money, right? So
yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just sideways this morning. Gold's
Yeah,
been popping up a little bit.
look at it on the 5-minute, just gross. ES is just sitting below its overnight VWAP, like just.
Artlist.io.
Well, glad I got that little trade in there.
It's pretty crazy coming back and looking at my 27-inch monitors and how they're like big screen TVs.
Feel so spoiled now with all the space, or what?
Oh man, I'm taking these with me when I go back in March.
Good call.
That sounds lovely.
Just have a suitcase just for those, right?
Yeah, well. Well, we took 6 suitcases with us, and now we know what we need and what we don't need. So I guarantee you I got 1 or 2 completely empty suitcases to take.
Nice.
And at the end of the day, when the bags are free, we get 2 bags free each of us.
Artlist.io.
And we get picked up in a SUV anyways. It's like we have the space. Why wouldn't we just take them, right?
Yeah. Especially since you're planning to work there. If you weren't planning to work there, then it's a different story. But
Yeah. It's nice now. Christine got us introduced us to a girl that goes to Costco twice a week in Puerto Vallarta. She introduced it to a girl that does meal prepping. And so it's like, now we can literally, before we get down there, we can just like put an order in for all of our groceries to be picked up. And
that's so awesome.
We left all of our summer clothes down there because I don't need it here.
Yeah.
And I'll just, you know what I mean? We'll go back there and I have all my summer clothes there. So
They have like storage, or where did you leave it?
I just put it all in a tote and put it at Christine's house.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Because she's still going to be there.
Yeah, she's there. They keep their house year round there.
Oh, wow.
I think after a certain amount of like even short term, like I think so they're there for 8 months, but they technically, I think the rate that they're getting, they got to basically take it for a year, like a long term rental.
Uh-huh.
So they get a discount on the months that the 4 months they're not there, but they're just basically locking it up for the year. So then they can just leave all their stuff there. So after March, if we decide to go back in the fall, we're going to do something similar. It's quite expensive now, Lance. It used to be quite cheap, and COVID fucked that up. But yeah, it's not as cheap as it used to be.
Zach Boyajian's short with the stop well above the high.
Big stop. Where's his entry price?
His entry price is not. He's a little bit in the money, it looks like, right now. What is he trading, Zach? Can't really see what he's trading right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
He's on YM. $47,926 position. Looks like he's in with 1 mini.
1 mini?
Yeah.
I don't think he trades micros, right?
I don't think so. It's been trading in live account, right?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think so.
Nick, on your personal account, you trade micros or minis?
Minis. Oh, depends on the volume price action, but generally speaking, minis. And this week I've been trading all personal accounts, so
Yeah, you had a nice day yesterday.
yeah, yesterday was really good.
6,500 or something, I think you said.
Music
Something like that.
licensing reimagined.
And stress-free, right?
Yeah,
Like
there
pretty
was.
stress-free
It
trade.
was. I took 4 winning trades, and they were all just easy.
And Randy, we had Nina come hang out, hey?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we were about to cut the stream.
Yeah.
Like me and Nick were like, Nick was gonna leave. He's like, "Oh, I'll hang out with you for a few minutes longer," and then Nina popped on, and we ended up sticking around for like almost a whole nother hour. She took a trade and walked us through her trade. It was a winning trade and stuff, so it's pretty
Nice,
good.
for her. Yeah, her timing works out by the time she's done school and all that. I think it's like 11 o'clock Eastern time, right? Like it's like an hour and a half or 2 hours after
Music licensing reimagined.
after the open. Oh, so nice. Oh, good. I'm glad you guys got to hang out.
Yeah, I like Nina. She's a good egg.
Fine. She's got good discipline.
Yeah,
Like she'll wait very patiently for a trade.
yeah, and she showed us her calendar and everything, and yeah, her risk management's been really, really solid.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like her red days are half the size of her green days.
So Randy, how much is it to own a home in Mexico? Lance wants to know.
I don't know. I think you could spend. Christine will know a lot more than me, but I think you could get like into an apartment or a condo from like I don't know, $300,000 to $500,000, and then you can even get into a house from probably $500,000 to $1 million. Does that sound crazy? That doesn't sound crazy because here, like, I live in a 1,200 square foot, 1,100 square foot rancher, and it's probably worth, I don't know, $1 million.
It's hard to compare to Canadian, Vancouver,
Yeah.
Canada, and Toronto,
That's what I
Canada's
mean.
housing prices to the rest of the world.
In hindsight, I kind of wish I owned this house because then I would just sell it and then I would go buy something really nice in Mexico.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, see, Christina, she feels like it's pricey there.
Yeah,
For sure, it's probably, I could see like 5 years ago, you could probably get things for, 30% cheaper than they are now.
sure.
And it's
Price
crazy
action sucks.
because when the first time I went to Sayulita was
Music licensing
Hoser and Tanya's wedding, which was like 15 years ago, probably. And I can only imagine what real estate was then.
Hey, do you see what he said there? That was in ASFX TV. Darren's
Oh.
like, let's all manifest a boner candle in Randy's absence.
Yeah, I laughed at all those prices I was saying was US dollars. So $500,000, 500,000 US dollars, I think you could get into something decent. And then obviously if you want a house, you're looking at closer to $1 million. If you want a really nice house, you're probably closer to $1.5 million.
licensing reimagined.
Gold's popping. Too many VWAPs above though.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom, guys.
Sounds good. We got previous day VWAP and New York VWAP, or started day VWAP above gold right now. Initial balance is set.
Artlist.io.
Today is not giving me a whole heck of a lot.
No, it's really not. Sideways, sideways, sideways.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's back in that zone where I thought I might find support last night. Yeah, I was thinking about getting some of those Ignite accounts too. I would like to try to copy trade a bunch of those, but I don't know that I want to put any more money into accounts just yet. So it's kind of like the timing isn't that great for me.
Yeah. Those are my my last accounts for a while until I can get my shit a little bit more organized.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, and I think if you just trade one micro on those, right? Like, it's,
Yeah, I'm not trading minis on a 50K instant funded account. That's all micros all the time.
Yeah, Lance said I've been flat all morning and got up too late to catch pre-market. Yeah, that's the same situation that I'm in. It's like I woke up, I looked at the chart, I was like, oh, geez, why didn't I wake up at 5 this morning?
Yeah, that was all of us. I woke up early and made coffee and did my stuff. Didn't turn on the computer until like, I don't know, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Once I did, I went, oh, shit. But there will be more trades.
Yep.
If not today, tomorrow, not tomorrow, sometime this week.
NQ's rolling over a little bit heavier here.
Yeah, it's starting to push down quite a bit.
Because YM's going up. So that's kind of why ES is looking a little better than NQ currently.
Yeah, NQ's dropped about 50 points within the last 20 minutes. And it's a little bit more now.
Yeah, 74 down to 25. Yeah, you're right. Wow.
See what it does with this VWAP, whether it rejects it or goes through it. And
Mexico is implementing a mandatory biometric digital ID known as CURP, Unique Population Registry Code, which will include personal information like fingerprints and iris scans. Wow. That's pretty, sounds like a bit of a controlling move.
Sounds like something you'd read on a conspiracy website.
Yeah. Czar's hoping NQ can swing to 26K.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I mean, if we can see a nice closure below that overnight VWAP there, start a day VWAP, that would be nice. Got 1 minute left on this candle here. We're in a big fair value gap right now, though, in this price.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I'm glad I caught that $100 out of the gate there. $100 in my 2 accounts.
It's a hell of a lot better than I've done this morning.
Well, flat isn't bad. Come on.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, it could be a lot worse.
Artlist.io.
Everyone is doing it so that they can implement the social credit score. Yeah. Ugh.
Social credit score. All right.
Big brother. Gigante hermano.
Hermano? Brother, yeah.
Giant brother. Big brother, yeah.
Big brother. Always watching.
Could have got a nice long out of that fair value gap there on that wick. Basically hit the middle of that fair value gap and bounced 10 points and then some. 17 points. You're muted still, Randy?
Thank you, Dave.
Yeah, we've been missing Christine. What's going on here? We need that like nice calm voice in our ear telling us not to take the first break of the opening range.
What, Dave? I'm not calm enough for you? What the fuck?
We haven't seen Thomas in a couple weeks also.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Thomas is, I think, he's just chilling. liking just to trade, kind of like
Hmm.
the stream can be a bit distracting sometimes. So
Yeah.
it's not for everyone, right? And you kind of, once you find that you don't, streaming is or isn't for you, you'll start to see that, yeah. So I don't blame them at all, because I can see sometimes it being distracting too.
I
Did you-
actually
you-
like it because
You go.
I like it because you guys keep me from doing stupid shit.
Well, if you're bored, you're not just throwing trades on, right? You keep talking through things.
Yeah, it's good to have that second opinion for sure. Do you guys see the houses that are getting burnt down from the Diwali celebration?
No.
Multiple houses got burnt down from fireworks,
Oh God.
like all week.
Again, another reason I want to move to Mexico. But I just saw that there was somebody shot in Abbotsford last night, killed, and somebody else in another unrelated shooting not far from there.
Oh my god. So I live in Mission, right? And then I went down to the fishing store like before I went camping, and some like random like crackhead kind of guy came in and he's like, "Why are you following me, man?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" Like I just like live up the hill. He's like mumbling that I'm a cop or something as he walks out of the door. And then after I was finished, I get into my truck and I start driving away, and he's like got his camera like under his armpit, pointing it at me like he's recording me. I'm like, you guys are crazy. Canada's falling apart, man.
Artlist.io.
Liberals.
There's crazy people everywhere. Somebody like that asks you, "Why are you following me?" Just say, "Because I think you're cute."
Yeah. Beavis and Butthead him.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Lance, following him on TikTok. I just recognized you from your Instagram. Can I get your autograph? Can I be on your next reel?
Took along that 69.15 Christine did.
Artlist.io.
Right at previous day high.
All right, I see what you're thinking there.
Holding the New York VWAP at previous day high above the overnight. So yeah, everything's lined up for a long. NQ is pulling back to the start of day VWAP again.
Music licensing reimagined.
Is NQ gonna go for those lows now, Randy? I guess we wanted ES to get there, but
See what NQ does with this VWAP. It's right at the VWAP and the 9 EMA are at the same point right now. A couple of ticks different.
Artlist.io.
Let's just get this to spill right over.
Yeah, I'm thinking NQ is going to drop.
If we get a break of the low day VWAP, I'll look to get short
On NQ?
on ES. I don't trade NQ. If I was gonna get short NQ, I should have got short off of the New York VWAP. That would have been a nice trade.
yeah, earlier when you said now's a good time to get short, would have been a good time to get short. You were right about that one.
And
I'm gonna take a trade on gold. That's what I'm gonna do, guys.
Licensing reimagined.
can't trade gold in prop accounts, only in personal ones.
You can't trade gold on.
He just doesn't.
Oh, I got you.
Oh no, if I do that on prop accounts, it gets bad.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
Personal accounts, I consistently make money with it. Prop accounts, I just blow them up. Why? I have no idea.
How big is our range on ES this morning? That's pretty big, hey? 20 points?
Yeah, 20, 25. I don't know, 15 points. What are we both talking about?
Oh, sorry, that was a wrong. No,
Maybe because I'm looking at it on the.
I got 69.27 down to 69.
It's because I look at the 2-minute
There's
chart.
your.
Oh yeah.
Artlist.io.
Here comes your pump lower on ES.
Yeah, let's see if we can take this low day view up here.
Music
Yeah, we got to push
licensing.
below that 11 at least. 911. So many wicks there.
What's going on over there, Nick? Got a party going on or what?
Good morning, kiddos.
Artlist.io.
I cannot wait to have to buy a house here and have my own office.
Yeah, no doubt, right?
Artlist.io.
I'm actually debating when we go back to Mexico for the long haul of getting Christine's husband rents an office just down the street. So I might look at actually getting my complete own space away from the house.
Zero distractions
Music licensing.
from the
reimagined.
trading session.
Well, it's tough now. Like I have an office at home, but it's like I can hear Miles like having a meltdown out there, and I'm like, is he okay? Is he not okay? And then he'll come
Mhm.
knock on my door, and
Mm-hmm.
what a little bounce on YM off of the overnight.
So I just hit the noise reduction on my headphones. Does that work?
Artlist.io.
You sound great.
Haven't heard anything.
Rise and shine, twerps.
It's more like shitheads.
It's the market butcher. Ah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I just saw your message actually, Randy.
Oh, it's all good. I just like kind of flustered when I woke up. I was like, what time is it? Need to start setting an alarm. So I was saying, I don't know if it was on stream yesterday. Maybe I was telling Christine, but it's like the water. I'm back to like cold because I couldn't do cold showers in Mexico. The water's just not cold enough.
Oh yeah.
And I came home to like, obviously it's freezing here now. So the water is so bloody cold.
Yeah.
Oh. And
Gotta
so
get
I
used
just,
to it again.
yeah, it's not, it reminds me of the first time having a cold shower.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zara, nice short. Where did you get in at?
Trim my short 26.017. Okay. Zara's always got the good moves. Ooh, MES there.
IO. Artlist.io.
It's cool to see Zara's markups in the Discord.
Yeah,
Licensing
yeah.
reimagined.
I agree.
Finally get to understand how that how the madman's mind works.
Yeah, that was a killer trades he made there too. Like all directions, just bang on. Like it's nice.
Midpoint. You literally called price it just before it pulls on down on NQ. He got in at 26.72. And if you look at that on the chart on the 5-minute, it's basically that bearish candle prints, takes the New York VWAP, and it's just straight down from there. No drawdown. Nice trade, man.
He's a savage.
Music licensing reimagined.
Should sign up for the Signal group.
Oh, you're not signed up?
Yeah, obviously not. I haven't done shit today.
Your discretion has been saying, not yet. Not yet.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, Czar got out of that just in time.
Yeah. That's a nice take of the New York there.
Music
But
licensing.
not convinced that we're just going to go higher just yet. We still have, these wicks, and there's a bearish fair value gap up above 69.18 to 69.21. To 21 on the 5.
So midpoint, you must be referring to like how we call that middle of the range. Or is that actually like 50% of the opening range midpoint?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, that's half of the opening range.
So that's an actual level. Like you could look at it like the 50% of the opening range.
Yeah, so because I've been running the Lux Algo opening range.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that it puts a little line on there for you.
Is it the line or the text?
I got like a little dash line on it,
Music
on mine,
licensing reimagined.
like in the middle of the.
Is
Of
it
the
the
green.
ASFX automatic VWAP one? Are you?
No, mine's the free Lux Algo one. Free Lux Algo orb and targets. So it gives you the opening range. It cuts the opening range in half, and then it gives you half opening range deviations, levels higher and lower.
I got you, Dave.
Artlist.
Sounds like they're wrapping up the stream on ASFX right now.
It's just Evan and James, right? I was supposed to be on there today, actually.
Austin's
Forgot.
there.
Oh, nice, good. Austin asked me
Yeah.
last week. I actually totally forgot.
Yeah, he said earlier he'd be on for a little bit, but he didn't know how long he'd be on there.
Licensing reimagined.
I mainly trade the orb and VWAP, but found out recently that midpoint been killing it. Nice, yeah. That's that pattern recognition.
Artlist.io.
I think Zach Boyajian was actually flat yesterday.
Music
Didn't take a trade on stream. He's currently down $400 in this Top One Futures live account. This is TOF pre-live account. What is
Oh,
that?
so it's like that. It's before you go live. So you have all the parameters of a live account, but you're still trading sim.
Interesting. So they don't want to risk it right away.
Yeah. So I think what happened, I don't know how it is now, the numbers. I should actually see if I can find out. But the first 12 people that went live,
Artlist.io.
10 of them blew their account in the first day.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So I think they lost like $100,000 of their own personal capital in one day.
Damn. Yeah.
Artlist.
So it was like they didn't realize like how, some traders just weren't ready to be live. So now they have this pre-live thing, which basically vets you before you get a live account. It gives you all the parameters, same rules, daily payouts, but you're trading sim capital.
Gotcha.
I think it just protects them from losing, say like you go live and you want to YOLO your account, or you tilt and you just explode it, right? So
Yeah.
I could see it.
Yeah, we need them to protect their capital.
Where other prop firms say they're going to take you live, and then you get a whole shit ton of payouts before they don't even entertain it. They just say you're going to go live at some point.
Mm-hmm.
And then it never happens.
Yeah, until you blow all your accounts. And it's like, oh yeah, we were just about to call you live.
Just
Yeah,
missed
I
it.
really. As long as they're paying you, I don't see a point in going live. I mean, because you're still going to be 1099, just a subcontractor. You're paying higher taxes on it. Just take your payouts and put them in a personal account. That 60/40 tax is a lot better than a 1099 subcontractor.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah, a lot better.
Might be different for Canada though. I
Yeah,
don't
it's
know.
a little.
Oh yeah, I didn't even.
Because we get charged capital gains on our personal capital, and then it's like 50% tax, I think. 40 or 50, I don't know. I think they might have recently changed it a bit, but so it's actually better for us to do subcontractor. Seems like it. Easier anyways. Oh, geez, guys. What's going on here? Whole lot of chop.
Whole lot of sideways movement.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at the pins on the 2 minute. Oh, this is 1 minute gross. Ugh. Even on the 2 minute gross.
Ooh, yeah. That's just tight chop.
This is not very pretty right now.
Yeah, none of them are looking nice right now. Maybe the 30. 30 looks bullish
Artlist.io.
on ES. Because we did that big pullback, and then we've been making higher lows on the last three candles. 330s.
Music licensing reimagined.
So how's the household is feeling pretty sad that you guys are back in Canada, or what?
Oh man, I didn't want to go. Like I told you already, I didn't want to think about it. Just leave it alone. We got 3 months to go here, and we're back in Mexico. But
Nice, that'll pass quick.
Artlist.io.
So what, January or something?
end of February, March and April will be there.
Nice.
That's when I get to come down and visit you.
Yes. Are you coming, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Are you gonna book that place?
Yes.
Music
Oh, dude,
licensing
you better get on it and book it. And it's gonna be. Oh, that would be so much fun, man. We could do like a live trading floor on the roof. Like it would be so much fun.
Yeah, $2,000 on the boot camp. I might be better off to spend $2,000 going to Mexico for a bit. Between the ticket price and the flight, I was crunching some numbers. It's definitely going to be at least $2,000 to go to Florida.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, what happened to that? I'm going to do a quick search on what happened to the Blue Jays.
I thought Lafta said what happened already.
I missed it. Uh-oh. I see a Dodgers cheering in the first picture. So 27. Yeah, this was yesterday's highlights.
Artlist.io.
What? They went to the 16th inning? I left at the 11th inning.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
17th inning. Holy crap, guys. It's like a double length game.
Yeah, Jose, I'm with you. The Dodgers should have stayed in Brooklyn.
So they tied the World Series like longest game
Music
ever
licensing
in this
reimagined.
game. 18 innings.
Damn.
Literally a double the length game.
Artlist.io.
We're coming down to the bottom of the range here on the ES.
I feel like if I get in anything right now, I'm just going to get chopped up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Dodgers hit a home run, I think, to win it. So
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
if you guys in the chat are wondering, this is how you stay patient.
Oh man. Well, my mom just showed up, so if we get no movement here in the next few minutes, I'm gonna get the fuck out of Dodge.
Music licensing.
Yeah, I might be right there with you. This might be a no trade day for me.
It's painful.
Hey, at least we didn't lose anything.
Yeah. Are you in a short, Randy? Christine said.
No, but I'm debating on getting in a short. I want to
should
see
read-
this lower day VWAP. I got tempted on that first lower day view on that lower day VWAP break at 10:44, 7:44 our time.
Yeah. Didn't get a closure though.
Music licensing reimagined.
You're looking at shorts on ES.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm really looking at right now. I haven't been able to get to the point where I can manage looking at different, like the different assets and like being able to pull the trigger on NQ or YN. I have them all up, but I don't know. Maybe I just don't have the balls yet. But I do think, like before, I used to be a strong believer of just trading ES only. But I do believe on some days there are opportunities on other indices if you're watching them.
Yeah.
You know what you're looking at.
I'll go between ES and NQ.
Artlist.io.
Sasrika Mamaji.
How's the real estate market, Dave? Is it picking back up?
Not really. Not really. Lance linked me in a message. Oh, nice! He just did a little video of us right now.
Artlist.io.
Nice view, Lance. He's sitting by his back window at his house, and
Doesn't that just remind you of here?
yeah, totally. It looks exactly like he's on the Veda River or something in Chilliwack. Where does Lance live?
He's in Portland, or he's in Washington.
Okay, well, yeah, that makes sense. Close enough, right?
Like southern Washington, like all the way down at the bottom, basically by Portland, like close to the border, I think.
Nice. And look what we did. We went right back up from that low.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, is this thing just going to be stuck down here for the rest of the day, waiting for the FOMC tomorrow?
Well, in the past when there's FOMC, we usually do get sort of like
Sideways.
sideways choppiness leading up to it, and then boom.
Well, I'm gonna sign off.
Sounds good.
I might as well go say hi to my mom. I haven't seen her in a bit, and it'd be nice to hang out. I got to see her briefly on Sunday, but go hang out with her, and as price starts to tip over. Ooh, what do I do, guys?
You were looking at shorts?
Yeah, just that lower day VWAP is holding very, very nicely. Even when we got that first break, right after that, we printed that bullish candle that was, 5 points? So it just goes to show the buyers are stepping right back in at that lower day VWAP. And
so you go short, I'll go long, and we'll place bets
must
on it.
make money. Do we split the prop? We split the winnings then?
Yeah, that'll work.
So then it'll just be a flush?
Well, hopefully Nick can win, because then he can take it out of his personal capital and send it to you.
Yeah, I like it. If not, I'll just buy you an account. Okay, yeah. Well, I guess I'll hang out for another 10 seconds.
Oh.
Who reached out to me? Oh, Daniel reached out to me. He won a Lucid, funded Lucid account, but he can't trade them in South Africa.
Oh.
So he was looking to see, I don't have any experience with Lucid, but if there was anything like if anybody wanted to buy it off him or do like switch it for like another account, like buy him an account with one he can trade or something. So I might actually put him in touch with you. Just I don't have anything Lucid, and you have Lucid accounts, right?
Yeah, I do.
So maybe I'll give him your Instagram. He hits me up on Instagram, and if there's something that works for you guys, maybe you can do something. I was trying to think, how can I do it? But I'm like, I don't want to add another set of accounts right now. Do you know what I mean? Like I have Top Step and I have TOF, and I'm kind of getting away from like, trying to pass 100 combines all at once too. So.
Yeah, I wonder how that would work too, because usually when you win something, they kind of like assign it to you, don't they?
Yeah, so it's just a disc. It's just a code that you put in for a free account.
Okay.
So I'll pass on his information. I'll pass it on to his, Daniel from the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Was he here this morning? No, maybe that was.
I didn't
yesterday.
see him in the chat.
Yeah, that was yesterday. He was around.
Music licensing reimagined.
We had some pretty good numbers on Sunday again. I think
Yeah,
we had
Sundays you're crushing it, man.
over 100 plus people watching,
Artlist
mostly on X,
IO.
but X is pretty quiet today. Only 10 people, but it's, you know, not a very active trading day anyways. So everyone's
Yeah,
probably like,
today is-
okay, wrap it up.
Today is boring as shit. So if anybody was watching this, I'm sure they
Reimagined.
either
got bored.
started nodding off at some point. But if your trading is really exciting, you are doing it wrong.
Yeah, boring. Should be sort of boring.
Artlist IO.
Are we seeing resistance at 69.1650 now?
Basically, that's yesterday's highs.
Okay.
Yesterday's highs is 69.1650 exactly.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, you're right. I had my previous day high a little low there.
Someday I'll pull my head out of my ass and just start putting that stuff on the chart rather than trying to read it.
Here's a boner candle.
Here it comes.
Artlist IO.
I just don't like we have that fair value gap above, which lines up with the midpoint of the opening range.
What's your midpoint of the opening range, Dave?
It shows 69.20.50.
Yeah, so on my indicator, it actually, the midpoint is like text where it says opening range and then the time.
Ah, yeah.
So I noticed on all my opening ranges, there's like the text in the middle of the opening range.
Mhm.
And that text exactly is 69.20.50. So that's the mid. So that's how they print it. They print it for
Gotcha.
you like that.
Does it show you like the little deviations outside of the opening
No.
range?
No.
Because like my upper deviation is like 69.34.50, and the lower one is like 69.06.50, which is exactly where we sold off to actually earlier on the 6:45 candle.
Oh, yeah.
Patrick Whelan would say, take that short. You take that short, break the opening range, and target one standard deviation.
Music licensing reimagined.
Probably going to get that hit.
Who did you say?
P-Dub. Mr. P-Dub. The Orb Master.
Artlist IO.
This price, man. Look at us being patient here.
Yeah. The weed helps.
Oh, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bye, Christine. Have a good day.
See ya. I'm going to go do anything but watch it go do nothing.
Artlist IO.
Bitcoin finally tried to bounce there. From
You trade.
114,000 to 116,000. I want to see it get back above 120,000.
Music licensing reimagined.
You
Yeah,
trading
boys, I'm
Bitcoin futures?
No, just keep an eye on it occasionally for my personal position.
Gotcha.
I'm going to jam too, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm right there with you. This is getting stupid.
Yeah, it seems like kind of no point. Let's wait for maybe the afternoon. Might.
Yeah, give this some time. I think we just got to get out of this range here. We got to either take 6,900 or, you know what I mean? We got to pop these 69.18, kind of the top high of those, that previous little high, and then that wick from that
Yeah.
so-called before the news came in event, whatever we want to call it.
Manipulation
Yeah.
candle.
Yeah. Exactly.
Music licensing
But
reimagined.
we're just kind of, we're sitting. We got orders above there at 69.20, 69.18, and then those orders down at 6,900. So
Yeah. All right,
Right back.
fellas.
I'll talk to you guys, and I'll see you guys all on Thursday. Enjoy the day, gang.
Sounds
see you guys
good.
in
You
the
won't see
Discord.
me on. You won't be seeing me on Thursday.
How come?
Traders Post.
I'm on Traders Post, Price Action Live on Thursday.
Fuck you then. Go hang out on Traders Post. Beat it.
Whoa, easy there, killer.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, we're not in an exclusive relationship, okay? I can see
Well,
other people.
That's news to me now that I know that. I
Hey,
got to treat you a lot differently. I'm not going to be so sweet and kind to you.
hey, I never wanted you to be sweet
I
and
thought,
kind.
I thought we were going
I like it a
steady.
little angry and rough.
I thought we were going steady.
Scumbag. Lance like scumbag.
Exactly. Actually, in Mexico, we would say El Scumbago.
Artlist
So,
IO.
El Scumbago.
All right.
This is a gang, Nick. You
Either
gotta.
you're in or you're out.
Yeah.
And we got no
So,
choice. No halfway.
Blood in, blood out. All right, I see
100%.
how it is. Who do I have to kill to get my patch?
That's so funny. I said that movie on stream with Austin, and everybody was like, Austin was like, what? What movie? And I was like, you don't know what Blood In, Blood Out is? Like, it's one of the best movies of all time.
What?
Like,
What movie are you talking about?
Blood In, Blood Out. Don't tell
I've
me you don't
never
know
seen
movie
that.
either, Nick.
No, I'm gonna have to check that out.
Yeah, you definitely gotta watch that.
It's a Mexican prison gang cop brothers story from like the 90s. It's so good. Oh man,
Oh
so
hell yeah,
Artlist IO.
I will
Yeah.
check that out.
it's one of my favorite movies.
Definitely watch
Alright.
it. Worth watch.
I'll watch that and Over the Top back to back.
Yeah, there you
Nice.
go. Fuck, that's a killer set.
I'm overdue to see that one in a while too. Yeah.
Well, boys, I'll see you guys. I'm Dave. I'll see you Thursday. I'll see everybody else that's going to be on ASFX. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And then, enjoy the day. And let's try and stay out of this chop and not get too caught up in it. And let the price shake out for a little bit.
Stay green.
Yeah, Dave, I'll probably see you on here later this evening.
Yeah.
Cheers, boys.
I'm not
See
getting
you.
on. See you later, Andy.
See you guys.
I'm not getting on, but I'll see your degenerate ass later on here.
All right.
Artlist
Hey, man,
IO.
you have a good one.
You too. See ya.
See you later.
Later, chat. Have a good one. We'll be back live tomorrow morning, 6:15, 9:15 a.m. For the market open. So hopefully you guys are somewhat green or at least flat on the day. Obviously, this is not the type of price action we want to be trading today. So learn from how boring of a stream that was. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good one.